191 Mobile, just breaking Silver Springs, Nevada. Roger, roger.
Holy smokes, dude. I got you 8 pounds, swinging all the way up to 8 pounds on the Connex, man. Blowing smoke in here.
Oh, roger. I can still see 4 corners, but in my rear view, but I guess I'm in stagecoach now. Oh, roger. Yeah, we got it pumped up a little bit. Roger.
I think I got you like a 5, swinging almost up to a 9 there, 1901. Man, blowing some serious smoke out this way. I got the video gate rolling on this one, right on the Connex meter.
Oh, roger. Okay. Well, hopefully you get back to the friendly 5 pounds ain't bad for a little Mobile. You know, the antenna weighs the same as my mic. It's 3 foot. Don't have any problems, but I'm sure it'll do the job. Roger, roger, roger. 191 Mobile. Super gate, tailgate thumper.
10-4 on that tailgate thumper. The old Bigfoot was out there blowing smoke out this way too. He was sounding real good as well.
I can hear Bigfoot in Silver Springs. Yeah, we can hear him. No doubt about it. I was on 20 for the longest time, and then I thought I'd switch down here and see who was making it out here. So, anyway, we're going to do some mobiling. We got to pick up some hay and stagecoach here in a minute, so you know what I'm doing. You know what I'm doing, the honeydews. 191 and the honeydews. Roger, roger, roger.
Hey, 10-4, 10-4.
I got you just in the red, man. About 7 to, as a report, 7 to red. 7 to red, not bad out here at Stagecoach, Roger.
Hey, 10-4, man. That's always good to hear.
Hey, 403, good to hear you out there. Hope you enjoy your bit and stay safe.
Yes, 191, you're making a lot of noise out here too. You come in great. It's on the stagecoach.
Numbers Bigfoot, Littlefoot. Numbers guys just mobiling your way, man. Mobiling your way. We'll get louder as we get closer, no doubt about it. Blowing smoke out here, by the way. Silver Springs coming down the hill, 4 corners, man. That's all I could hear was you.
Check, check. Just leaving it again. Make sure you're driving safe out there and get your honeydews done. Quarterback quiet.
Yeah, copy, copy.